Hi everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make a reservation through the PMS. Let's get started. First, open your PMS dashboard and navigate to the front office section. To begin a new reservation, click on Reservation. You'll see that there are 3 simple steps to complete the booking process. Step 1. Select the check-in and check-out dates. Once done, click Next. Step 2. Choose the room type and meal plan. Then, specify the number of rooms, adults, and children. Enter the price and click on Add Room. Once the room is added, click Next to proceed. Step 3. Fill in the guest details, including the name, mobile number, and email address. When everything is complete, click on Reserve Room. And that's it. The reservation has been successfully completed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us at the number shown below. Thank you for watching and happy booking.